really glad that you're our friend, and this is a friendship that'll never ever end.
Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing. So finally, dumating na yung pinaka-hinintay ko. My first ever WWE belt. So, samahan niyo ako sa pag-unbox nito. Ang okay lang dito, I ordered this probably less than a week ago. And surprisingly, tanggap ko siya kagad.
What?
Perfect for Christmas. So, as a big WWE fan, this is something that I really feel thankful for. So, nakapack siya ng bubble wrap. And here it is. Wow! Woohoo! So, this is the Universal Championship commemorative belt. Still heavier than what I expected, because the other review says that it's lighter than the original one. So I was expecting it to be more lighter, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with the weight. So let's see what's inside. Has those typical silica gel. I won't show it yet. This is how the back part looks like. This one has the official WWE authenticity stamp right here at the back. Wow. It's really, really nice. It's presenting to you WWE SmackDown Champion Marvin. Woohoo! I'm really happy with it. It's really nice. Considering this is all made of plastic, really has a nice finish to it. I'll show you the details of it. There you go. The plate is also quite thick, and it has all the logos and everything in it. So it's really quite cool. Really worth the money that you paid for. And the moment of truth, just want to try fit this belt, not on my waist but just on my shoulders. Oh yeah, that feels great. Let's just put this down for a moment. What happened there? Anyway, yep, that's my new belt. I'll probably buy one of those original replica ones in the near future if I have enough budget. But anyways, I'm quite happy with what I have, and hope you guys like the review, and thanks for watching.